Hi guys, I'm in my kitchen and now I'm doing some cleaning, so I'm taking you along with me. So under here is where our sink, well, underneath the sink, and that's where I store most of the things that I need for the kitchen. So as you can see here, I have sponges, soaps, and detergents and whatever. So I have a little box here that I got from IKEA. They're very good in helping one to sorry, organize. So yeah, I am going to wipe out now underneath. Wipe out underneath here. It's dark, but you can still see something. Yeah, and then I will just take this container and then we're going to store everything inside of it that's needed. And then I am hoping that I will be able to close the yeah, I hope I will be able to close the container. If not, I have to take out all of the bottles that are too hard. So those are the sponges, tabs for the machine. I think this bottle is going to give me the problem. Let me try it now. Look, oh, it fits. It's good. So these are some kind of magic drain pipes, clear odor free sticks. We purchased them to see if they are really going to work. So let me put them inside there too. And a lot of things we have to clean: the oven and the stove. And yeah, so what we can't get fit inside of it, we will just leave out then, since it's not going to contain everything. Check this one out. Yeah, the rest goes to the bathroom. What does not belong in here? So you see these soap bottles, they do not fit in it, and also for the drain it doesn't fit in it. So we are going to leave them standing there, and then I will just wipe here in front. And now we cover it, and look, we're done. So fast it went. And the rest I will bring to the bathroom. So I will take you to the bathroom as well, because there I also have to organize underneath my sink or the face basin. Okay, so off to the bathroom. So now it's my bathroom under the sink. I need to reorganize and get rid of some of the things that are almost finished. So here on the floor I already sorted out what's supposed to go in the drawer. I only need now to wipe the drawer a bit, and then I am going to put some mat in here so that it can protect the wood, because sometimes, you know, when we're dealing with water, the water can also fall onto the wood and then soaks in it and destroy it. So that's why I'm going to lay some mat in here from some old carpet or old towel that I have. I will just cut it that matches with it, and then that's it. So I'll be back. So I cut this old fur rug in in the sides of the drawer and put it inside. These fur rugs I got from IKEA. Yeah, so When you wash them once, that's the end of it. They were looking fluffy and nice and white before, but now when you use it more than once and you wash it, then they become like this. It's a pity. But now I will just use it now to organize my things in here. So I also have to see which one of these bottles fit. So this is too big. Let me see that one. Okay, that one fit inside perfectly. Good. So now let me see which one. So these with these duck neck cannot fit in it, unless it must be smaller like that. Okay, that one fit also in it. So only small ones do fit, unless you would lay them down, but I don't really want to lay them down. I want to grab them each time that I need them. Yeah, so they are like textile sprays, and for the wash machine, some tabs, and then we will also put our cat food in it, and the rest of the things that doesn't fit, we will just put them somewhere else. Then yeah, I have to find then another space for it. Okay, so let me see what else. Also for the cat, the wash machine. I don't think this is going to fit in it either. Let me see. Oh, okay, this one this one worked good. So maybe just put all of these three together over here. So this is how I'm going to continue to organize the things until I get them done. And as for the rest, I still have over the wash machine, I still have some space in here. Yeah, but I doubt that it will also fit inside there. So what I will do, I will get another container like this from IKEA and put those other spray bottles that are too tall for the drawers in it, and put them up here so that I know whenever I want it, they're in that container. So I think that's what I will do. And I'm almost finished with my wash. Woohoo! Yeah, that little teddy bear we have to wash for my daughter. And then I have my other things to sort out. Shampoo and conditioner and makeup and all these stuff. Those are the little work that I do not like, but I know I have to do it. Yeah, so I hope you like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, and you will see me in my next video.